What's going on, guys? Chandler from EzStocks here, come back at you with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the top 3 stocks for this upcoming week, starting off for September. But before we get into that, let's check out how we did last week. So last week we started off by talking about how Zoom was bound for a breakout here at that 295 mark. So that's been following that resistance line, and if it continued to go up, it would continue to do so in a nice fashion. Now, this wasn't the biggest run up in history. Again, it went from that like 295 up to 303. Still, profit is profit. We'll take it. Let's go on to the next one. Next, we pointed out Lululemon sitting around 369 at the time we made the video. Now, this one had a pretty nice run up as well, getting up to a high of 384. I'm at 369 mark, and again, I see the stock continuing to go up. As you see from that RSI, it had a little bit of a overbought placement, so it had that little bit of price dip, but it should be on the rise up again soon. The last one we called out was Nvidia, sitting around 507. Now, this one had a pretty nice gain up as well, a couple percent, shooting up to now new high all time at 525. So pretty good job, 3 for 3, all nice profit. Not the most, but again, profit's profit in this market. You can take what you get. All right, guys, so the first stock I want to bring up for this week is going to be ticker symbol SNE, or Sony. Again, if you guys don't know what Sony is, they make the PlayStation. They do all the movies and a bunch of other stuff. You can read all about it here down below. But again, what I want to point out right now is it's been having a little bit of ups and downs, having that support line around that $79 mark. Again, it dipped down to that 78, but then was bought back up around that $79 mark and is there again right now. Now, our plan here is going to be for the long term. Again, we've had a pretty good consistent growth, again, 23% the past 3 months. But it's been holding steady around that $78, $79 mark. We've been waiting and waiting and waiting. This is going to be one of those swing trades where it goes up a couple dollars up to that like 80, 81, 82, and then you're going to see that bounce back, that like pull back on the price, back down to that support. So again, this is going to be a good swing trade. Again, if you want to place an iron condor, maybe that $78 to up to that 83, somewhere in there for a 1-week expiry date. That's another good play as well. All right, guys, the next stock we're going to be talking about is ticker symbol TXN, or Texas Instruments. And this company, basically just a little background on it, they are in the manufacturing of semiconductors as well as designing it. But anyways, you can tell by this 1-year chart, again, this is where that pullback happened. The bug came through and destroyed it, and now it's already up to a new high at 143, and the high before was around that 134, 135. And this is just a very steady, good long-term stock. If we take a look at the 5-year chart, all the way from $43 to 143, it's just one of those slow and steady gains. So if you're looking for more of a stable stock to go throughout this uncertain time, to get a consistent growth, maybe 1, 2, 3% a week, and this is a good stock for you. All right, guys, the last stock we're going to be talking about is Alibaba. As you guys know, this has been on my list a couple times through. It's had pretty consistent growth here. We want to take a look at the 1-year chart. Again, it is crushed highs. It's already up a ton over where it was. Obviously, this e-commerce company is going to be helped out by the fact that everybody's online. Again, a bit overbought on that RSI right now. It's approaching that point again. But that's what I want to take a peek at. It's had very, very consistent growth, and anytime that it's met any sort of resistance, a flat line, it tends to drop off there and then bounce back here very shortly. So that's what we're going to be looking for here. We're going to be looking for a little bit of a flat line coming out here and then a bounce back up. Obviously, this could take about a week, 2 or 3 weeks. So if you got time to spare, this is, again, just another great stock, a long-term, mid-term, and short-term gain. Just see how markets open up. If that price does drop down to around that 270-ish mark, that's when I would definitely be buying into that. But if not, then just hold out for a little bit here, wait for that flat line to continue on, and buy up, or obviously just buy in right now if you're looking for that long-term hold. All right, well, if you made it this far in the video, you know what to do. Leave that thumbs up. Helps me out, crush that YouTube algorithm. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Kick some butt. Peace out.